Welcome back to Creative Alternatives, the place where small ideas spark big changes. Today we are exploring how much money we unknowingly waste on everyday products, and more importantly, the creative alternatives that can help us save money, reduce waste, and live more simply. You may be surprised to learn that many of the items we buy repeatedly have smarter and often cheaper replacements. These alternatives are easy to adopt, eco-friendly, and in many cases already available in your home too. So let's walk through 10 of the most impactful alternatives you can start using today. We'll begin in the kitchen, where spending tends to accumulate without us noticing. Think about the endless cycle of buying disposable paper towels, using them once, and throwing them away. A simple switch to reusable cloth towels instantly cuts that expense and reduces waste. These cloths clean better, they last longer, and once you get used to them, you will never look back. The same applies to plastic food wraps. Instead of constantly rebuying rolls of plastic that end up in the trash, Beeswax wraps or silicone covers create a reusable and more effective seal for food storage. Not only do they protect your food, but they also protect your wallet in the long run. Another product we often overspend on is bottled water. Many households buy crates of water every month, thinking it is safer or more convenient. By investing once in a high-quality water filter, you gain access to clean, safe drinking water anytime, without generating plastic waste or repeated costs. Pair that with a reusable bottle, and your savings grow even further. This small change creates a major impact on both your finances and the environment. Moving into the cleaning area, we realize how many products we purchase simply because advertisements convince us that every surface requires a different formula. Instead of buying separate cleaners for windows, floors, countertops, and bathrooms, a single homemade cleaner made from vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil can easily replace most of them. Oh, this simple solution is cost-effective, powerful, and much gentler for your home environment. Many people also spend money on disposable mop pads when they could use washable microfiber pads that attach to the same mop and last for years. Let's talk about personal care. Shaving razors are a perfect example of products that create constant spending. Disposable razors seem cheap, but long-term they cost far more than a single reusable safety razor. A quality metal razor can last a lifetime, and the replacement blades cost only a fraction of disposable ones. Similarly, instead of purchasing cotton pads every month, reusable makeup remover pads made from soft fabric can be washed and reused countless times. They feel better on your skin, and they eliminate the need for ongoing purchases. In the bathroom, liquid soap and shampoo bottles pile up quickly. Solid alternatives like shampoo bars and soap bars last longer, contain fewer chemicals, and eliminate plastic packaging altogether. They are more travel-friendly, cost-effective, and available in a wide range of natural scents and formulas. Another overlooked item is the air freshener. Many people buy aerosol or plug-in fragrances which run out quickly and often contain harsh ingredients. A homemade diffuser using essential oils and water offers a healthier, long-lasting, and more natural alternative that fills your space with a cleaner scent. Next, let's consider food storage. Instead of purchasing single-use plastic bags over and over, switching to reusable silicone bags gives you a durable and freezer-safe option that lasts for years. These bags are easy to clean, they seal tightly, and they work for snacks, leftovers, or even liquid soups. This switch is one of the most noticeable in terms of savings because it removes a constant item from your shopping list. Another area where money quietly disappears is home decor. Many people buy new decorations every season or holiday, which adds up over time. A more creative alternative is to repurpose items you already have or redesign older decor pieces with a coat of paint, fabric, or simple crafting techniques. This not only reduces spending, but allows your home to reflect your personality. Upcycling can turn old jars into stunning candle holders or transform leftover wood into shelves or artwork. These pieces become unique additions to your space, unmatched by anything you can buy in a store. The final alternative involves eliminating the need for batteries by switching to rechargeable ones. Modern rechargeable batteries last for years and power almost all household devices. Instead of constantly buying and disposing of alkaline batteries, a one-time purchase of rechargeable batteries and a charger drastically reduces both waste and long-term costs. This sustainable switch is one of the most practical and rewarding alternatives you can make. Oh, boo! These 10 creative alternatives prove that living smarter does not require complicated changes. In most cases, it simply means looking at everyday products from a new perspective. When we replace disposable items with durable ones and store-bought products with homemade solutions, we unlock a lifestyle that is more sustainable, more affordable, and more intentional. Each alternative creates a ripple effect that supports your wallet, your home, and the planet. And the more of these small adjustments you make, the bigger the overall impact becomes. Thank you for watching Creative Alternatives. If this video inspired you, imagine what the next ones will do. Be sure to subscribe for more innovative ideas that help you save money, simplify your life, and live creatively. Together, we can build a future where smarter choices become daily habits and where alternatives lead us to better solutions. Until next time, stay creative and stay inspired. Main key.